Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to upload a file using our Selenium sheet. Okay. If you see in my previous videos, I explained about like how to handle for web tables like static table and dynamic table. Please go through that and so many videos I have done the screenshot taking, drag and drop, and specific element taking for the screenshot. Those all the things I have covered in our my previous videos. Okay, please go through that one by one, and you can able to find exactly what how complete. Okay, and now in this video we are going to see that how we can able to upload a file. Okay, and here most of the time I'm going to show like dummy websites. Okay, and real website is different. Okay, for this I'm going to take this particular website. Okay, I'm copy pasting this particular one, and I will. Now you can see right here we can able to see these are the three options. One we need to click and we need to provide the path and then we need to click the upload. Once we click the upload we can able to get it right like this we can able to do it. And another one like how we can able to, and here there is one more thing, drag and drop. Okay, if you can click and you can drag and drop. See, there are files are uploaded. Okay, drag and drop we need to use for action class. Okay, for this we need to use for Selenium. Okay, for this I'm going to take for one. Here this is the ID. Okay, we have ID directly. I'm taking for the ID. Okay, and here I'll use for iWeb element equal to driver dot find element and by dot ID, and that I'm going to specify my ID semicolon. Okay, then where path. Okay, for this path, I'm going to specify in this particular file where I have this particular one storage. Okay, going to play right for properties and finding the path, specifying this one, and we can okay. Now we can close it this one, and now what we need to do for this, we need to specify the file name directly here, right? For this, we can able to use for send keys. Okay, element dot send keys. Send keys and then we can specify the path. Okay, then use the semicolon. Now we can run and see that this particular file whether we are able to provide the file into that. From here we need to use the PNG. Now script will be a fail. It will be a fail because it is not upload. We need to mention the file extension, right? PNG is the file extension. Okay, and specifying the file extension as well now. You can see because that argument it will not find because we are not specified that any file like definitely our script will be a fail. See now you can see here our value will become it is presented. I just closed it, that's what it went it. Okay. Now after that what we can able to do, we can able to click for upload and we can see that once we click the upload it will navigate into in this location. Okay, once you click the upload it will navigate into that location. Okay, for this again we need to click for this particular button to uploading location. Okay, this is my upload file value. Okay, and after doing this I'll use for thread dot sleep with 1,000 seconds like 1,000 milliseconds, and here driver dot find element by dot id, and then we can specify the id and we can specify the click function. Okay, In this function, we can use and click. Once we click, it will navigate into another location. We can see that whether we can able to navigate into another location or not. Okay. See now we are able to claim this location, right? Now we need to verify this particular element whether we are able to see this playrate.png file in this particular location or not. Okay. We can able to verify any of this or we can able to verify this as well. Okay. Anything is okay. Now I'm going to take this one file upload. Okay. After this again I'm going to use for thread.sleep 1000 milliseconds. Okay. And here I'm going to uh, driver dot find element by dot id, and then we need to specify the text because we need to store the text, right? And then where text, and we are able to store, right? Now in this particular text we need to verify our file is whether we are able to upload it correctly or not. For this we need to use for assert, right? Assert dot or equal, okay, it will take the two arguments. Okay, one is text dot trim because if it is giving some space and all it will remove. Okay, another one is we can able to specify the file name exactly what it is presented. Now this is my file name. Okay. Okay, now we are able to choose this. Now we can see our script will be shown that what exactly it will show. You clicked and it navigated and we can close and we can see success. Okay, like this we can able to upload. Maybe you can able to see some of the things like multiple files uploading cases also we can see that. Okay, here it is like a multiple files we can able to choose. Okay, and if you choose for any other than this and it will choose as well. Here once one time one file means it will gives you for one file. If you choose for all the files, see all the files it is come under set. Okay, this how you can able to implement it. Okay, please try in your end also, like providing the multiple path in your path location and then how you can able to do it. Okay, and then even we can able to verify single file whether it is be presented in that particular location or not. Okay, we can able to verify that as well. Okay, how you can able to do, you can try in your end. Okay, in case if you are not able to get, please comment on this video. I'll try to upload it for my next video. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share.